Hello, everyone. So welcome back. Big announcements. So we, as some of you guys know, we're coming out with a brand new app. Exciting times here at Haven. We're always innovating new technology, but the app is a huge release for everybody.
Absolutely. So you may be watching this because you received a notification on your old app to download the new app, and now you want to see what's new and different. So first of all your lights and zones will be on one page now. So if you have a couple of our different products, it used to be on different pages.
You don't have to navigate from tab to tab. It's all right there.
It's all right there.
Yep.
Secondly, you can long hold and drag and drop zones in any order you want.
Big change, big feature.
Yep. Thirdly, we have image view, where you can take a picture of the property, drag and drop lights right on it. All of this stuff, by the way, you can check out. We walk you through exactly how to set it up. Haven Lighting University, Virtual University, Haven Virtual University.
There you go. Yep.
It's in the help section of our website, and we walk through all the new features and how to use it all. So check there. This is just a brief summary of just if you want to just dive in and go at it. So you can take a picture of your property, you can upload pictures of your property, and
it's so cool.
Drag and drop your lights. And
especially if you have a lot of zones, it makes it so much easier being able to control, removes any kind of confusion on what zone's which. You can control it right there from the picture. It's really nice.
And to switch back and forth, you just tap the switch views and it goes back and forth between views. Also, if you're using this app, you also have light feedback. So now you can see your lights are on, they're off. So you can see the feedback, you can see what color they are. You can even see what color they're going to be if you turn them on, so without selecting a color. So very, very handy on that side of it as well. You now have scenes.
Scenes, that's a big one, Yep, so it makes it very easy for controllability. So with one click of the button, if you have a preset scene for red, white, and blue, you can name it as, say, USA or America or whatever. One click of the button, everything can go to red, white, and blue.
Yep.
Makes it so nice. You don't have to independently control each zone to make them all red, to make them all white, whatever. It's one click of the button.
And you don't even have to click the button. You can schedule that scene
it too,
on an event. Yep. So just a way easier, more user-friendly interface on setting up events as well.
Yep.
You now have in events, this is really important, so your events are going to look a little bit different. You've got multi-level priority now, which before you only had one level of priority. Now you've got up to 99 levels of priority. To change priority, you literally long hold and drag and drop and move them around on the screen.
Yep.
Super easy. The ones at the top are the most important. As you go down, they get least important. So the ones at the top will override the ones below it.
So your classic white event, every day, your nightly event would probably be at the bottom. Your holiday events, you want to override the everyday event. So the holiday events would be toward the top.
Correct. Now that only is the case if they're set for the same time. So make sure that is the case if you want to use priority. Also, we want to go over kind of how the app will look now. So a lot of our customers in the past have had, let's say you want to set the property to red, white, and blue. You had 3 events in order to accomplish that. Today, if you were to set that up originally, you wouldn't do that. You would make a scene and then just schedule the scene.
Yeah.
But if you have the old setup and just are transferring into the new app, you're going to see that those 3 events
they're going to transfer over.
Are in a container on the app, and it says shared priority. So those all 3 will run because they have the same priority structure. So all 3 of those events will run. It looks a little bit different on the app, but you can certainly
Now they can clean that up, right?
You can clean it up, and the easiest way to clean it up is that you just go into the event itself, click on the menu button, and hit execute now. And then I would do that for all 3 of these. Okay. And then once I did that for all 3, I would go in my scenes, hit add scene, and save as America. Now I've got one scene that looks like those 3 events combined. I could delete those events and just make a new event with that one scene.
Perfect.
Now, your old event will run the old way. If you don't want to mess with it, there's no problems. It'll still run the proper way that it's supposed to.
Yep.
What else we got? We've got image view on groups as well. And again, you can switch back and forth between groups. And that's really the major
A lot of changes.
It, right?
It's a very, very nice app. It's very clean looking. I think you'll find it very user friendly. There are some changes, but they're changes for the good. So.
Yeah. Now there's a lot more in here. So make sure to check out Haven Virtual University on the website. I think there's 20 videos that walk you through all the new features. We forgot one.
What?
Sports.
Oh, that's the big one.
That's the big one.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Cool thing is, everybody has an existing system. As long as their hardware supports it, just a free benefit, a brand new benefit. We're always coming out with stuff. Sports is a big one.
It is. So it's called Haven Game Day.
Yeah.
And it's in the main menu, and you set it up. You can attach your favorite teams to that. If you have our regular series products, you get 3 teams. If you have Pro, you get 8 teams.
Yep.
So you can set up and you can set scenes to happen for pregame, for game start, for if they win, if they lose, 30 minutes after the game, you can have it do something.
Yeah.
Lots of stuff there. Make sure to check out the Virtual University for all that because it's a big deal.
A Cincinnati Reds fan, the Reds win, my lights can automatically change red and white. How cool is that?
Correct. And
Yep.
if you have Pro, they can do a dance every time they score
Yeah.
and do a dance when
Yeah.
they win. Lots of cool
Yep.
stuff. We actually have it set up here in the office, and every time the Reds score when I'm here, honestly, it's awesome.
Yeah.
It's very cool. The lights start going like Red scored.
Yep, that's
It's very
right.
cool.
Yep.
So check it out. Lots of new features. As always, your system keeps getting better and better
Sure
and
does.
better over time if you buy Haven Lighting, unlike any system on the market.
That's right.
So if we can help you in any way, we're always here. Check us out at
havenlighting.com and
Facebook, the Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram.
hey, and call us too. We're always happy to talk to people. So we love hearing from you. We love your feedback and call us. We want to help.
We'll see you.